Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This indeed is actual freedom from all miseries arising from material contact. This yoga is to be practiced with determination and an undaunted heart. 24. One should engage oneself in the practice of yoga with undeviated determination and faith. One should abandon, without exception, all material desires born of ego, and thus control all the senses on all sides by the mind. Purport. The yoga practitioner should be determined and should patiently prosecute the practice without deviation.
Now, this determination can be actually practiced or can be actually attained by one who does not indulge in sex life. His determination is strong. Therefore, in the beginning, it was said that without sex life, the determination, or controlled sex life. If you indulge in sex life, then this determination will not come. The flickering determination. Therefore, the sex life should be controlled or given up. If it is possible to give up altogether, if not, control. Then you get determination. Because after all, this determination is bodily affair. So, these are the methods how to get determination.
One should be sure of success at the end and pursue this course with great perseverance, not becoming discouraged if there is any delay in the attainment of success.
Determination means that one has to continue with patience and perseverance. I am not getting the desired result. Oh, what is this Krishna consciousness given? No. Determination. It is a fact because Krishna is saying this, it must happen. There is a nice example. That a girl is married to a husband. She is hankering after a child. So, if she thinks that now I am married, I must have immediately a child. Is it possible? Just have patience. You just become faithful wife, serve your husband, and let your love grow up. And because you are husband and wife, it is sure you will have children. But don't be impatient. Similarly, when you are in Krishna consciousness, your perfection is guaranteed. But you will have patience, determination, that I must execute. I should not be impatient. That impatience is due to loss of determination. And how that loss of determination is there? Due to excessive sex life. These are all consequences.
Success is sure for the rigid practitioner. Regarding Bhakti Yoga, Rupa Goswami says, the process of Bhakti Yoga can be executed successfully with full-hearted enthusiasm, perseverance, and determination by following the prescribed duties in the association of devotees and by engaging completely in activities of goodness.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.